video, you're going to learn about MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. As you have already studied about software, software is categorized into two different types: application software and system software. System software are those software which are the most important part to operate a computer system, whereas application software are those software in which a user can perform any specific kind of task. So here in this video we're gonna study about one application software, that is MS Word. MS Word is developed by Microsoft Office. It is a all kind of set inside MS Office suite. MS Office suite contains some professional software such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and so on. Now, without wasting a time, let's start MS Word.
Microsoft Word is word processing software. It is developed by Microsoft and is part of Microsoft Office suite. Microsoft Word enables you to create, edit, and save professional documents like letters and reports. Brief history about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word was released in 1983 as multi-tool Word. Its first version was based on the framework of Bravo, which was the world's first graphical writing program. Microsoft renamed multi-tool Word to Microsoft Word, and then in October 1983, Microsoft released its first version of the IBM PC. In 1985, Microsoft ported in the Macintosh, which was different from its DOS-based counterpart. What is Microsoft Word used for? Microsoft Word is used to create many kinds of business and personal documents. For business or school, Microsoft Word is a great tool for creating business documents and school document from scratch. We can also find templates. Template means the file which are already pre-designed, and these files are ready to use. We can also find template to help us to create letter, report, proposal, newsletter, catalog, poster, postcard, banner, and so many things. The use of MS Word for personal purpose is to create an invitation, to create gift tag, recipe card, place card, certificates, and etc. Microsoft comes in very handy for both your personal and professional lives. Microsoft having so many features. So now let's discuss some features of Microsoft. MS Word was first released in October 25, 1983. Whenever we complete any file of Microsoft Word, extension used for this document is .doc. It is useful in creating text document. Templates can be created for professional use with the help of MS Word. Work art, colors, images, animations can be added along with the text in the same file, which is downloadable in the form of document. Now, let us discuss more about features and components of MS Word document file in detail. The image shown on your screen contain different elements and categories which are available in MS Word document. First is File tab. The File tab replaces the Office button from Word 2007. That means in the earlier version of Word 2007, there was Office button. With the time upgradation of MS Word, there is File tab now. We can click it to check the backstage view. This is where we come when you need to open or save file or create a new document and also print a document and do other file related operations. Next is Quick Access Toolbar. This option will find just above the File tab. This is a convenient resting place for the most frequently used command in Word. We can customize this toolbar used on our comfort. Title bar. This lies in the middle and at the top of the window. Title bar shows the program and document title. Word Help. This help icon can be used to get Word related help anytime you like. This provides nice tutorial on various subjects related to Word. Next is Active tab. Active tab tell us in which tab we are working. tabs. These appear across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands like home, insert, page layout are the example of ribbon tabs. Groups. They organize related commands. Each group name appears below the group on the ribbon. For example, group of command related to font or group of commands related to alignments, etc. Commands appear within each group as mentioned here, or you can see on the screen. Rulers. Word has two rulers, a horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. The horizontal ruler appears just beneath the ribbon and is used to set margin and tab stops. The vertical ruler appears on the left edge of the word window and it is used to gauge the vertical position of element on the page. Zoom slider or zoom control. Zoom control or slider lets us zoom in for a closer look at a document or a text. The zoom control consists of the slider that we can slide left or right to zoom in or out. We can click the plus button to increase or minus button to decrease the zoom in or zoom out in our document. Insertion point. Insertion point is a point from where you can start writing your document. Show, hide and button. With this feature, you can hide some unnecessary tools from tab. Next is status bar. This displays the document information as well as the insertion point location from left to right. This bar contains the total number of pages and word in the document, language, etc. We can configure the status bar by right-clicking anywhere on it, by selecting or deselecting options from the provided list. Ribbon. You can see here, ribbon is the uppermost part of any screen which contain important file, important tabs and important groups to complete your document. Scroll bar. Scroll bar is a sliding feature which help us to take our page up and down. This feature can be used with the help of mouse or with the help of keyboard, up arrow and down arrow. Page up and down. This feature helped us to scroll our page up and down. With help of this option, we can directly go to the page up or starting of our document, and with the same option we can come back to the place where we are continuing our document. Microsoft Word is a most powerful word processor, allows us to add graphical object in our document to make more meaningful and illustrative. Another important part of the documentation is presenting the information in table format. That is, to arrange the information in the form of row and column. Word 2010 not just allows to create tables, but it also offers many specialized operations that can be performed on table or tabular data. Now, what is table? Tables are used to organize the information in the form of a row and column. A table is a collection of rows and columns which insert each other to form rectangular blocks called cells. Data arranged in the form of table help us to quickly compare and analyze the stored information. Now we will see how to add table in Microsoft Word 2010. There are many different ways to create tables in our document. So, let's start with the simplest method to create table. This is the interface of Microsoft Word. Now, we will learn the easiest way to create table in the Word document. Click Table button in the Table group on the Insert tab. A grid of cells will appear. Move across the grid to select rows and columns as a table will start appear in your document. Click the last cell of your selected grid of cell to get the table at the insertion point in the document. So this is the first and easiest way to create table in Word document by simply going to the insert option and click table, and according to your choice or your document we can select box from here to insert in our document. Now creating table using insert table option. Position the cursor where table has to be inserted. Click on the table button in the table group on the insert tab and select insert table option. As a insert table option, dialog box will appear on your screen as seen on the screen. Enter the number of rows and columns required in the table. and click OK to get your table insert at the insertion point. So this was the second way to add table in your document. Now let's learn the third way to add or to draw table in your document. Another way to create table is by drawing it manually in the Word document. To draw a table, click the table button or table group on the Insert tab and then choose the Draw Table option. Now drag the pen pointer diagonally in the document to draw outer boundary of the cell. Now draw horizontal and vertical lines in the box to create row and column of the table. So this was the third way to create table easily. Now we will learn how to add value in these tables. For adding value, after creating table, to enter data value in the cell tab, first click in the cell where we want to enter the data. So that's all for today.